If you want to make your SurveyMonkey survey easier to read and more organized, adding a section header is one of the simplest ways to do it. Section headers help break up long surveys, guide respondents through different topics, and make your form look much more polished. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a section header in SurveyMonkey step by step, and I'll keep it quick and easy to follow. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Now let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and open the survey you want to edit. If you're not signed in yet, log into your account so you can access your existing surveys or start a new one. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey dashboard, click on your survey to open it in the Survey Builder. This is where you can add questions, text elements, and different sections to organize your survey flow. Now that your survey is open, look for the spot where you want the section header to appear. Move your mouse over the area between questions or above the part of the survey where you want a new section to begin. SurveyMonkey will usually show a small plus icon or add button when you hover in the right place. This is the key step because it lets you insert new content exactly where you need it. Click on the plus icon to open the list of items you can add. In the menu that appears, choose the text option. Section headers in SurveyMonkey are often created using a text element, since it lets you add a custom heading that separates one part of the survey from another. Once you click text, a text box will appear in your survey. Next, type the section header you want to use. For example, you could enter something like demographics, product feedback, or final thoughts depending on the section of your survey. Try to keep the wording short and clear so respondents instantly understand what the next part is about. After typing your header, select the text you just entered so you can format it properly. With the text selected, click the bold button in the formatting toolbar. Making the section header bold helps it stand out visually from the rest of the survey content, which makes the structure much easier to follow. If you want, you can also adjust the styling a little more depending on the options available in your SurveyMonkey editor, but bolding it is usually enough to make it look like a proper section header. Once your header looks the way you want, make sure to save your changes. Click Save so the section header is added to the survey and your edits don't get lost. After that, you can continue building the rest of your survey and add more headers wherever you need them. This is a great way to keep longer surveys clean, organized, and more user-friendly. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a section header in SurveyMonkey in just a few simple steps. This small change can make a big difference in how professional your survey looks and how easy it is for people to complete it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.